So here we are going to demonstrate about solar based river cleaning system. The major components of our project are Arduino Uno, HC05 Bluetooth module, regulated power supply section, single channel relay to run the conveyor belt, L2399 to run the propellers. So here we are going to use an 100 rpm DC motors to run the propellers, and we have used an 12 volts 5 watt solar panel, 10 watt solar panel, and there is an conveyor belt setup where it is going to pull the waste and throw into the mesh, so where you can throw it off later. So here we have used an 4 volts 1.5 lead acid battery connected in series, totally become 12 volts 1.5 amps. And when you turn on the switch, the regulated power supply section is going to divide the voltage to 5 volts and give input power supply to the Uno Bluetooth module relay. Okay, and this is the battery power supply, which will be giving an input power supply to the motor driver, and the relay output terminal, which will be going towards the motors. So one is for the electronic components, other is for the motors. So when you turn on the switch and give input power supply, so it gives an output voltage to run the entire system. So let us see the demonstration. So here we are going to use an Android application. So in the Android application is nothing but a serial Bluetooth Wi-Fi terminal, where you can directly connect to the device. So when you transmit the characters like forward, there you can see the propellers are moving forward. Now you transmit the character backward, the propellers are moving backward. So like this, stop, and now right, the propeller is running forward and the other is on backward, so that it turns right. When you turn place the left, it moves on the left opposite direction, and you can stop it, and you can run the conveyor belt. So at the back end we have placed a small conveyor belt, where the two motors are going to run the belt system towards the upside, and the dust will be collected on the mesh. So like this, the entire system can be worked with the help of an Android mobile application. So where you can see the data which is transmitted, the ASCII values like FB, S, R, L, and D and U are the ASCII values, where the data will be transmitting by using a mobile application to the HC05 Bluetooth module, through which it is going to control the entire system. So coming to the solar panel is nothing but a photovoltaic diode. Whenever the light falls on this photovoltaic diode, it starts to emit the voltage. So this is the terminal, where you can see there is a no light in the charging circuit. When you place this terminal over here, it starts to emit the light. So here you can turn off the battery power supply source, and you can see even if you turn off the switch, the battery is able to charge. So you can use another terminal to place and charge the other battery. So like this, by using this solar panel, we are going to able to charge the lead acid batteries which is present on the circuit board. So this is how we are going to execute the solar based river cleaning system by using a 4-inch PVC pipe closed on the both side, and we have used an aluminum strips for the base, or else you can go with the wooden strips to hold the frame. So to hold the panel, we have used an wooden plates, and we have screwed it with the help of an handrail. So this is how we are going to manufacture and run the system. Thank you.